Hello friends. Today's discussion topic is why is the rate of urbanization in India very low? First, we will discuss what is urbanization. For urbanization, you need increased population. This increased population would boost trade and commerce. This trade and commerce would increase social interaction. When there is high social interaction, that would lead to development of physical infrastructure and urbanization. But in India, largest proportion of population is staying in rural area. To boost the urbanization in India, there must be migration of people from rural area to urban area. This will increase the population of urban area. Now, we will discuss why the rate of urbanization is very slow in India. This can be explained by the following way. India has small and marginal farmers. They are about 84% of all cultivators tilling less than 2 hectares of land. These people migrate to urban area and work in unorganized sector or called informal sector. While working in unorganized sector or informal sector, they don't have access to social insurance like old age pension, maternity benefit, or life or disability insurance. So, these people have only one safety net, that is, their small agriculture land or plot in their home villages. These plots are their safety net. These people will never part with this land as long as they don't have at least some partially similar sense of social insurance. So, whenever they face any problem in urban area like loss of job or violence or other issues, these people move from urban to rural area. This process affects the process of urbanization. To conclude, the people working in informal sector or unorganized sector having the social insurance like old age pension would detach them from their agriculture land as a safety net. This may boost the process of urbanization in India. Thank you for watching my video.